Morning everybody. This is what is it? It's a coffee table made in the shape of a retro cassette. So basically it's quite thick. It's it's more than 4 inches. How thick is it? It's about 5 inches thick, made up of different layers that we make on the CNC, which is over there. What I'm doing now is I'm finishing it. I'm having it so that it's ready to go to the customer. The customer for this is actually in Blackpool, and he owns a nightclub or a bar or something, and he's going to order quite a few of these and put them all out there and basically have them in his bars as a bit of a novelty thing. The legs on the bottom obviously like that. So there's 4 of them pre-drilled in here so that he can just drill it himself, so it goes flat pack. All he has to do is put the legs on. The finishing of it, we only finish the top. The sides, nothing to do with it, and inside, nothing. So what we do is we just basically stain it a different colour there, and this all stays the same colour as it is. Now, in order to finish it, all we do is spray some of this stuff on it, which is yacht varnish. This tub's about out, but I'm on its 3rd coat now, and it's just basically a nice little spray of it. It's running out, to be honest, but I'll get one more. It wants to have 5 coats on it, so that's the 3rd coat, and that's it. More of it out. So that's out. I need to go to the shop and get some more. The varnish is cheap. I get it from pound shop as it happens. We don't have to do anything in between. We just leave it, and that'll dry, and then we do it again, and then that'll dry, and we're just trying not to get any dust on it. I'll show you the actual table itself. These retro cassette tables, they're hang on, can I switch this round? Don't know how to. Just not sure. If you look at it, there's scribe out there for the screws. It's just basically it's a novelty thing. We make these. We've got them. We did some for a TV show in America. Not Deal No Deal, something like that. Something like Deal No Deal, but it was basically it was ordered for as a prize for one of the customers, and they started giving them out willy-nilly, and then they started making their own. So we got a few out of that, but it's quite a robust thing. It weighs an absolute ton, but they travel well because they can't break. You can't break them. We have to wrap it well, but that's about it. So if you look here, there's the legs. That's it. Nothing more I can tell you about it. But thanks for having a look. And thanks for coming. Please like, please share, please follow, throw your cat downstairs, throw your dog out the window, punch the wife, and goodbye.